Hello, hello. All right, it's Mr. Nethercott again. Here I am with another one. This time I'm talking about lesson 8.2. All right, 8.1, you learned about the bottoms and where they meet. This time hey, what are these red things? Those are adding. That's right. So how many pluses do you see? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means I'm getting ready to go over 6 problems. All the work is here. So here we go. Just keep up with me. All right, here's a 9, here's a 3. 3, 6, 9, 9. Where do they meet for the first time? They meet at 9. All right, time for who is it? All right, 9 times who is 9? 9 times 1. Got a 1 on bottom, need a 1 on top. All right, don't forget your parentheses. Parentheses tell me to do what? Multiply. That's right, multiply. So 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 3 is 6. Then when you notice here, I've got a black 1 on top, a black 6 on top. So 1 plus 6 is 7. There's my black 7. And you notice my 9 never changed, so it just stays the same. There it is. Plain and simple. All right, let's take a look at this one. Hey, here I got a 3 on bottom. Here I got a 4 on bottom. So 4, 8, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12. Where do they meet for the first time? They meet 12. That's why there's a green 12 here at the bottom and a green 12 here at the bottom. Now it's time for who is it? 3 times 4 is 12. So if I got a 4 on bottom, I need a 4 on top. Don't forget your parentheses. Parentheses tell me to do what? Multiply. So 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. Here's a black 4 on top plus a black 3 on top. 4 plus 3 is 7. There it is. And you notice I got a green 12, green 12, green 12. Yes, it is that simple. All right, who is it? I got a 2 here, I got a 4 here, so 2, 4, and then 4. Where do they meet for the first time? They meet at 4. What do I need to know and master? You need to know your multiples, all right? So it's basically knowing, hey, 1 times 2, and 2 times 2, and 2 times 3, and 4 times 1, and 4 times 2. So if you just practice your multiplication, this will be easy. All right, so who is it? I've got a 2 here, so 2 times 2 is 4. If I got a 2 on bottom, I need a 2 on top. Don't forget your what? Parentheses. 1 times 2 is 2. And 3 times 1 is 3. All right, so add my black 2 into my black 3. Hey, I got a black 5. And my 4 doesn't change. But wait, those that have me in class are looking and screaming or yelling or just saying, look, big head, small body, big head, small body, big head, small body. Well, is this allowed? No. So what do we got to do? We got to subtract 1. But where did we get that 1 from? We look at this bottom number and we say, hey, what is that? That's a 4. Isn't 4 over 4 a giant 1? So 5 minus 4 is 1. And then bring your 4 over. And then you notice there's an arrow here. Why? Because we took out 1. And there it is. Big 1, 1 over 4. Yes, it is this easy. Look over here. All right, what do you see? You see that it's a 6 here on bottom, a 12 here on bottom. So 6, 12. 12, where do they meet for the first time? They meet at 12. That's why there's a green 12 here and a green 12 here. Now it's time for who is it? 6 times 2 is 12. If I got a 2 on bottom, I need a 2 on top. Don't forget your parentheses. Parentheses tell me to do what? Multiply. So 4 times 2 is 8. 6 times 2 is 12. What you did here, we're now going to do down here. Who is it? 12 times 1 is 12. Got a 1 on bottom, need a 1 on top. Don't forget your parentheses. Parentheses tell me to what? Multiply. So 5 times 1 is 5. 12 times 1 is 12. Hey, let's take a look. 8 plus 5 is what? 13. 13 over, is my 12 changed? No. Oh no, look. Big head, small body. Big head, small body. Big head, small body. Is this allowed? No. We are going to subtract 1. But what is 1? We got to look here at this bottom number and we say, hey, I see a 12. So we must take 12 over 12. 13 minus 12 is 1. And then we look, my bottom number does not change. And we move our 1 over. That's why I have that arrow there. All right, now we're going to turn up the heat. That's right. we're going to start cooking a little bit with a little bit hotter. All right. So we look here. Here's a 2. Look here. There's a 5. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5, 10. Where do they meet? They meet at 10. Look at this green 10. Yep, it is that easy. Hey, if I have a green 10 here, I have a green 10 here. Now it's time for who is it? 2 times 5 is 10. If I got a 5 on bottom, I need a 5 on top. Don't forget your parentheses. 3 times 5 is what? 15. All right, what we do here, we must do down here. All right, who is it? 5 times 2 is 10. If I got a 2 on bottom, need a 2 on top. 4 times 2 is 8. Now we just got to put our tops together. 15 plus 8. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Yes, it is that easy. Yes, you are allowed to use your fingers. So 23 over 10. Woo, that's a really big head. Small body. So I need to take away what? 1. What is 1? I look here at this bottom number. The bottom number is 10. So that means I need to subtract 10 over 10. 23 take away 10 is 13 over 10. Oh no, it's still a big head. Small body. Well, you still subtract 1, which is 10 over 10. 13 minus 10 is 3. Hey, now we get a normal fraction. And we move that 3 over 10 over here. But wait, what do you see? There's 2 arrows. Because we're going to bring this one 10 over 10. And we're going to bring this other 10 over 10. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So we got big 2. 3 over 10. Oh no, Mr. Nethercott. There's 3 fractions. Ah! You just